so sick. Dudes! Woo! Oh my god. Oh, epic. It is getting very, very hot. Houston, we have a problem. Oh, I fucking did just snap my pedal. There's a few things not going to plan here. We are cooking out here. I am very cooked. And I'm starting to get like a bit dizzy and shit, so damn. Oh my god, we have made it. We're going down the Bay of Fires trail from the Blue Tier, which is where we are now. Oh, it's beautiful up here. And we're gonna go all the way down to Bay of Fires campground. Yeah, bring it on. Woo! The Bay of Fires trail, keen as mustard. And apparently the first 13 is meant to be sick. I've been told it's one of the best descents out here. We had a little bit of rain this morning, so I'm hoping it makes it even sicker. And I'm a little nervous about the bottom half. I think it's pretty pebbly. Oh, yes. Oh my God. The first view of the trip, and it is sick. 2 Ks in, 40 to go. And we're heading all the way up there somewhere. How sick. Oh, wow. And the environment is changing already. Starting to see a few palms. A little lush. Oh man, the dirt's good. Yes. Yes. Yes, dude. Blown my DHX2 coil, and I was lucky enough to get a second-hand, oh yes, second-hand DHX2 air shock from my mate Alex, who lives in Derby. So lucky, and it feels so much better. Yes. Oh, so sick. All right, yes. Blue Tier, 20 Ks to pub, Bay of Fires, 40 Ks to the beach. All right. Oh, so far, excellent. Oh, cool. Rock work. So sick. Oh my God. This is crazy. Oh. Oh yes. Talk about flow. Oh, bit all over the joint there. Oh yes. Oh. Oh, oh, the old bridges are a bit slippery. Yes. Oh my God. Oh, it feels like I'm surfing. Oh yes. Boy. Woo! Cooked that one. Oh, you're just pumping through it. Oh yes, dude. Oh, say hi. Yes. Four and a half Ks down and a shitload to go. Oh, damn. Oh, nice. And we have furry trees. I have to touch it. Oh my God. Whipped in the face. Turns. Woo! Oh, epic. That is so sick. 9 Ks in. We're about to hit another descent. All right. Woo! Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh. All right. This is one of the best flow trails I've ever ridden. I've probably said it before, but it's just so sick. Don't even look over the edge. Oh. Oh, that was so much fun. Oh. So good, dude. It's so cool how it goes from like rainforest to like bush. Where am I going? Up there? Oh, yeah, sweet. Yeah. I'll catch us later. Unreal. 14.5 Ks. Not even bloody halfway. All right, so that, I'm pretty sure, was called the top 13. And now, I don't know where we're going. It's crazy how it goes from like cool tropical rainforest to Aussie hot bush. Ah, I think this is the bit where you just pedal along the fire road for several Ks. Oh yeah, keen for this. Mate, gravel grinding business. What is it? This thing just keeps going. Cooked. I have probably about 2 litres of water left, I hope. And 2 bananas. And maybe if I look deep, really deep in my camel pack, there might be a really old energy gel floating around. And I hope that is enough to get me to the glorious Bay of Fires. You come around the corner and then you just see another hill and you're like, I'm not gonna be able to get up that. You just keep chipping away at it and you'll get there. Road ahead. Oh my God, the rest looks like it's mostly climbing. Getting so hot too. Demon child wouldn't let me get down here at a reasonable time. You know you're hungry when your bananas taste epic. So good. 50% of my ration's gone. What is this? Congratulations. You are now halfway to the beautiful Bay of Fires. It will be worth it, we promise. So we're here. We have a lot of climbing to do before we are at the glorious Bay of Fires. Water contains antifungal solution. If I do decide to fully cook it, my quote marker number is BF19, and hopefully we won't need that. It's a weird feeling. I'm happy, but I'm also nervous because looking at that diagram, it looks like there's still a fair bit of climbing to do. And finally, I think we're on Singleton. It is getting very, very hot, and I'm getting low on water. I reckon I've probably got 1 litre left, but I'm also getting very thirsty. I'm trying to just limit myself to little sips, but my body just wants to scull it. Fucking Houston, we have a problem. Oh, I fucking did just snap my pedal. Fuck. All right, how far have we got to go? 26, fuck. I'm 26 Ks in. And I fucking pedal. Oh no. I think I have about 10 Ks of climbing. I'll see if I can use it. Oh no, she just dropped off. All right, we're walking. We are f***ing walking. Well, I can sort of pedal it. The main thing to remember in situations like this is don't f***ing panic. Oh man, the other brutal thing about this bit of the trail, there's not much shade, eh? All right, so I have 7 kilometers of climbing. Once I make it to the top of that peak there, she looks like she's all downhill. In 7 K's time, when I get to the top, I'll have my last banana. That'll be my little reward. We are slowly edging our way closer. I'm going to have beautifully tanned hands after this. That's another positive. My face is red raw, but my hands are gorgeous. There's a few things not going to plan here. When your bloody foot slips off that, hits you there. Sucks, eh? I'm having the smallest little sips of water. The good news is I can see the ocean. Oh, we are getting closer to the ocean. I'm not at the very top of the climb, but I am very cooked and I'm starting to get like a bit dizzy and shit, so this, I found a nice shady spot. Oh, it's fish, mate. Look at you. Oh, damn. Oh, fuck. Oh, mate. You just need to get down there. Taking the knee pads off, throwing them in here. I'm hoping that'll cool me down a little. I just ate my last banana and I found an energy gel in my bag. I'm pretty sure it was 3 years old, but it'll be right. What a silly idea. Legends, we're gonna get there. That was the top of the last climb. We're not far off. I ate all the time, but I am cooked. That's a big rock. Yeah! There it is, the Cozy Corner South Campground. What a trip. That was one hell of an adventure that I never want to do again.
Hi, how did you go?
You would not believe it. I've earned this swim. Thanks for watching, Legends.